Shubhalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter Practical Geometry, exercise 14.1. And here is a question like 1, 2, 3, 4, which we are already over with these concepts of 4 questions. So here in this exercise, we'll be dealing with question number 5, in which let AB be the centers of 2 circles of equal radius. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of other. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB and CD are at right angles or not. Children, here, so we are supposed to draw 2 circles of center, having A and B, the centers of 2 circles of equal radius. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of other. So here, children, I'll be choosing a point A. So through A, I'll be constructing one circle. Okay. So here, and 2 circles I'll draw. Their radius must be same. So children, I'm going to draw one circle with the center O. Okay. So here, is a center of the circle. This is A. Now, so as it was mentioned in the question that the circles must be passing through the centers of each other. So here, through this point, if I choose this point here as point B, so if I draw one circle, that particular circle will be lying on point A or center A, whatever. So this way, children, I'm going to construct another circle. And here the radius of these 2 circles are same only. The radius of these 2 circles are same. So children, here point is, this is a point B. Here is a point B. Okay. So point A and B, they're the centers of both the circles. This is circle number 1. Center is A. This is circle number 2. Point is B. Now they are passing through the center of each other. Now they are intersecting. These 2 circles are intersecting at C and D. C and D. So let this point where these 2 circles are intersecting with each other be C, and this one be D only. So now the question is that whether we have to check, examine whether AB and CD at right angles or not. Children, if I join this AB with ruler and if I join this CD with ruler, I'll be surely getting a perpendicular on each other. This CD will be perpendicular on AB. AB, I have joined these 2 radius of, the center of circle 1, which is A, and the center of circle 2, which is B. I have joined them with AB, and this is CD, which is perpendicular on AB. It will be surely forming 90 degree. I believe it's clear to everyone. So for this, we have to write some basic statements in this regard. So children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. Now children, we are going to deal with the next exercise 14.2. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using ruler. Children, it's very simple. It's a very simple and very easy to do it. So what we need to do is we need a ruler. Suppose it's a ruler, children. It's a ruler. Alright, the measure starts from here 0, then 10 small lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number is 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number is 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That number is 3. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number is 4. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, this is 0. So we should always start measuring from 0. Measurement will be always started from 0 and it will be extended. It will be going on. So this is how we have to measure, children. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So if we are asked to draw a line segment of 7.3 centimeter, children, so we will just first place the ruler on a copy. We'll take up to 0 and we will take from 0 and we will draw the line accordingly up to 7.3. So in this way we have to measure the line segment. Now children, the next question is about question number 2. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compasses. So children, it's not a big deal. Suppose children 6.5 is over here. Suppose on this ruler, this is 6.5. Suppose for consideration, this is 6.5. So what we need to do is we will take our compass. This is suppose up to 6.5. This is 6.5. We'll measure through ruler, and on the plain white paper we will just place the compass and we will just make a point like this. So here, this point from where I placed my needle of the compass, and this is reaching up to this much. Now simply I'll join these two line segments. I'll just simply join these two line segments. I'll be getting 6.5 centimeter. I believe children these questions are understandable. If there is any questions or doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Drop your queries in comment section of our Google Classroom as well as in WhatsApp group. I will surely try to explain this once again. Your doubts will be cleared up. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye-bye. Take care.